Hello, come in, breaker, breaker. Good evening, everybody. Donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2x8. It's one of my, I don't know, not real old builds, but older build. Was a customer rental sideband had a little issue. He blowed a pill. But anyway, I'm just gonna do a quick video on it. Show you what it's doing. Repair video. 5 watt and forward. Hello, audio. Oh, I checked the relay and it seemed fine. Maybe because it was breaking. Get on down, get on down. The SWR shake there is perfect. Turn it back on. Five watt reverse, reflect. Get on down, Donkey Stomper, get on down. What a watt? Input tune, get on down. See, it's good. 1000 watt slug, PP, 2x8, 14.8 I mean. Get on down. Donkey Stomper. 2500 watt slug. Donkey Stomper, Donkey Stomper, Donkey Stomper, Get on down, get on down. Check, 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 check. Check it out, my little Donkey Stomper, making sure it's gonna go. Donkey Stomper, worldwide. Check, 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 check. Get on down, get on down. Hello, audio. There she is. Donkey Stomper, 2x8 repair video. Put one pill in her and changed a couple of resistors and she's good to go. Oh, you hear how quick it's on key in. Get on down. Faster than the needle can go down. But there she is, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later.